Alright, number 19, we can solve by either method. It looks best to solve by elimination. Looking at the y variables, I can't just manipulate one, but x, I can manipulate the top equation. Multiplying by -3, it will give me the opposite sign, same number. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by -3. It'll give me a -3x minus 9y equals -3. I'm going to write down the second equation right below it. 3x plus 4y equals -7. Combine. X gets eliminated. -5y equals -10. Divide by -5 on both sides, and we get y equals +2. I'm going to take this +2, plug it in the first equation. X plus 3 times 2 equals 1. X plus 6 equals 1. Subtract 6. X equals -5. Order pair -5, 2. Remember x, y in that order. -5, +2. Solve the system by substitution. So both of these are already kind of like in the y equals format. Difference here is that we have decimals. So I look at one equation, I see how many decimals I have, and then I can multiply by a power of 10 based on how many decimals I have. So this one has 1, this one has 2, so I want to go 2, the bigger. This one only has 1, but 2 will fix everything. Since they're already both y equal, I can just replace one with the other. So basically I'm going to set both of these equations equal to each other. So this is what I'm going to do. I got y equal. So one of the y's, so say the second equation at the bottom, I'm going to replace it with the first y. So it's going to be -3x minus 6.1 equals what the other y was, which was 5.3x plus 13.82. Alright, so instead of dealing with decimals, which I mean we could do, okay, just let the calculator do it. Yeah, let's just leave it. I don't want to do it, the extra. Let's combine the x's. Let's add 3x to keep it positive. So these cancel. Now the 3x is going to be the whole part because this is 5.3. So 3 plus 5 is 8.3x. Bring down this -6.1. Bring down +13.82. Alright, so now we're going to subtract 13.82. And then, can't see that. Those cancel. Since they're the same sign, I'm going to add these up, even though it says subtract. So it'll give me 0.92. That's going to give me 19. -19.92 equals 8.3x. Divide by 8.3. So let's compute this with the calculator. See what we get. know it's going to be negative, so I'm just going to put the 19.92 divided by 8.3. We get 2.4. I will take this 2.4 and plug it into one of the equations. Let's just take the bottom one. Y equals negative 3 times 2.4 minus 6.1. Alright, so I'm just going to do this answer. Now I said it's going to be negative, so I need to be careful not to lose my sign. This is going to be a negative 2.4. This is going to be negative, so negative times a negative is going to give me a positive. So I'm going to just take this number times 3, and then I'm going to subtract 6.1. And that leaves me with 1.1. So y equals 1.1. Provided that I have not made any mistakes, this should be correct. So solution is 2.4, negative 2.4, be careful, negative 2.4, and then 1.1. Okay, so that should finish everything up. Let's submit and view the results. And then we'll be able to see if we made some errors, and we can talk about what they might potentially be. So there's one error here, number 7. Let's look at this one and review what happened here. So it looks like we select there's no solution, but there were infinitely many solutions. Possible that just click the wrong button. I misplaced that page, so let me just go back and just review that problem here. So what I did was multiply through the top equation by 10. X plus 3 over 2 equals y plus 12 over 5. Multiplying by 10 will get rid of both fractions. Times 10 will, or you divide by 2, give me a 5, so I get 5x plus 15. Times 10 will divide out, give me a 2, so equals 2y times 2 plus 24. Alright, the second equation, I multiplied that one by 10 as well. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, so leave me with 5x. 10 will cancel out and leave me with 2y plus 9. Alright, combining x and y on the same side, moving to 15, so subtract 15. Subtract 2y. 5x minus 2y. That gets eliminated, equals eliminated 9. This one I will subtract the 2y, so I got 5x minus 2y equals 9. Oh, so these are exactly the same. So maybe I had a sign wrong. Looking at them, exactly the same number, same sign all the way across. So same equation. So yes, infinitely many solutions. I'm not sure what I did earlier, if I made an error and these canceled out, but these didn't. But we should have got exactly the same thing. So that was the error. Anyway, so hopefully this review will help you. Practice as much as you need, and let me know if you need anything. Good luck on your exam.